We do different kinds of challenges with our team, and y'all have some great ones. Huntress has some great ways to work through it in a game format, and there are many different ways that you can work into it. For us, we like to work through scenarios that have happened recently. So scenarios that we've trained on that have been in the news, things, breaches that have happened, and go look at how did their incident response team respond versus how would we respond to a similar incident in our own organization? And it gives them kind of a social context or a business context for it having happened. With our clients, we choose scenarios that are relevant to their vertical, things that, scenarios that they may have heard of other law firms being involved in, or other production facilities being involved in, or other architect firms being involved in, or financial organizations being involved in. So we try to focus their scenario, right, on something that's already familiar to them and they're already engaged and interested in, and then let them work through, well, how does your incident response plan respond to this particular scenario? And usually that works pretty well. The other thing is just getting them engaged. So seeing to it that they have some information ahead of time so they know what's coming, seeing to it that there are questions that they need to answer and input that they need to give during the tabletop test. So they're not just sitting there watching. They have to be actively engaged and participating, and then a follow-up as well. So they get a follow-up questionnaire that lets them answer questions about what happened and what could happen differently. That usually helps too.